this is Raman Gill. Welcome to episode 57 of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a reversal pattern. It's called a double top reversal pattern. We will look at how this pattern sets up, how to identify it, where to enter the trade, and always where to exit the trade with a profit. Let's go take a look at the charts now. Here we are looking at a double top trade setup. This is Aussie US dollar 5-minute chart. This here is a double top. We normally see that the price is pushing up and then comes into a support and resistance area and bounces off of that area and then comes and tests the area once again, same level, and then pushes off of that level. And if you look to the left here, this is a support and resistance that has held previously. So here price does that same thing once again. In this case, we are looking for an entry right at the bottom of this pin bar. As soon as the pin bar closes, we can enter the trade short. Our stop loss would go above the high, make sure there is some room for trade to breathe, and then we stay in the trade till it starts to reverse. In this case, actually, we do see that the price here, it does come into S1 and bounce off here, but here we do see that the price is holding below the previous level here. So we can stay in the trade here. Price starts to hold below our S1, which is great. So we stay in the trade, and now we are coming towards the end of the day, and then so we can exit the trade here. Price just doesn't want to go lower, or if you want to hold on to the trade, you could still stay in this trade because it is holding below the previous swing point here. But as you can see, at some point you would exit the trade here because price just goes sideways and is not willing to move any lower. So this would be a good place. Somewhere around here would be a good place to exit the trade, or you can exit right here once you see that price is starting to hold above our S2. And generally, just from pivot point perspective, we don't see moves beyond S2 normally. So that's another thing to keep in mind, that if the price is at S2 and starts to hold above that, it may be time to exit the trade. In this trade, from entry to exit, we have 60 pips. So our profit is 60 pips or $600 if trading one standard lot. So just to recap here, this is double top trade setup. We are looking for a double top formation. That means price goes and tests a support and resistance once, bounces off of that, goes and tests the same level the second time around and fails to break through. So it holds below the support and resistance level. So in this example, once we get this bearish pin bar, we can enter the trade short. So we sell here, our stop loss goes above the high, and we stay in the trade for as long as the price holds below our previous support and resistance areas, our swing points, and we can exit the trade once price comes into our support and resistance area and just starts to go sideways. So somewhere in here you can exit the trade. Here I see that the price is not willing to go any lower. We get a bullish engulfing candle, plus it's also late in the day, so it's time to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 60 pips in the trade. So our profit is 60 pips or $600 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure sharing these trade setups with you. If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe below. As always, I will be back with another great setup in the next episode.